Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I am going to take you through the LoginRadius Developer Dashboard. LoginRadius Developer Dashboard provides a quick implementation of user authentication in your application. It includes streamlined registration and login processes while protecting customer accounts and complying with the data privacy regulations. Let's jump into the dashboard itself. Once we sign up as a user via any of the developer plans, you will be able to see the homepage of your dashboard. The dashboard UI is intuitively designed so as to provide ease of access for the user to implement. On the left hand side of the dashboard, we can see four sections. They are configuration, auth page customization, user management, and support. Let's go through one by one in detail. Under the configuration page, the first thing we configure is the domain whitelisting tab. This tab allows you to add and manage the domains. LoginRadius processes the API calls that are received from the whitelisted domains only. Next would be configuring the identity providers. This section allows you to manage the registration and login options for your application. Email password register and login are default supported, and you can manage email templates for the same too. By clicking on the edit option, we can fully customize the emails that will be sent to customers when they first register from your site. Verification email will contain a link that the customer will need to follow in order to verify their email, whereas the forgot password email will be sent to customers when they request to change their password on your site. This email will contain a link that the customer will need to follow in order to verify the ownership of their account. All the email templates support HTML and CSS. Under the SMTP settings, we can configure the SMTP email settings to allow LoginRadius to send emails from your email server automatically. Emails are sent based on specific events such as verification or password reset. Events can be configured according to your business needs using templates that support custom HTML and CSS. Besides the standard email login feature, the LoginRadius also supports configuring social login providers. Based on the plan opted, one can configure any social identity provided in the dropdown. Once any provider is selected, we need to get the particular app ID and app secret, which can be generated by the step-by-step provided in the dashboard. Once these are set up, we will be able to see the identity provider in the sign up and the login page. Now that we have set up the domain, identity providers, communication workflows, we shall start implementing the app under the configuration your application tab. Under this tab, we need to select the technology or the application type and then download the appropriate SDK. LoginRadius supports native and hybrid apps like Android, iOS, etc. Traditional web apps and also an SOTT, which is a secure one-time token which can be created using an API key and an API secret and a timestamp are also supported. We can view and download these SDKs on the LoginRadius GitHub page or download it locally onto your personal computer. We also have a detailed documentation which explains on how to implement the app in a step-by-step manner. I will also be giving a high-level walkthrough on the documentation in the later stages of this demo. Till now, we have configured the 4 key steps in implementing the LoginRadius identity platform. We shall now move on to the next section, that is auth page customization. This section allows you to choose a design template for the authentication pages like register, login, forgot password, and reset password. We can then customize favicon, logo, and labels for the selected templates. The default design theme remains applicable even if you do not choose a template option. Let's quickly try it out and see what this looks like. By clicking on the Customize button, we can perform the general configurations for these pages. One can customize the page and be able to brand it as per the business requirements. By clicking on the Try It Out button, we can see how the registration and login page looks like. Now coming to the user management section, under this, we can manage all the users and see the various attributes associated with the user. The next section is the support section. In this section, we can create a support ticket and also track the status of them as well. We can manage our profile and subscriptions and invoices by clicking here. We can manage and update account related settings under this profile. We can view our LoginRadius subscription details, billing information, or can change the payment method here. We can also view the latest informations like invoices from this tab itself. Moving on to the documentation, LoginRadius has a highly intuitive and a robust documentation which explains in a clear step-by-step process right from the quick start guides with sample demos using various technologies, example codes, how-to guides, SDKs, APIs and FAQs to implement the LoginRadius identity platform for your application. We can see the different web and mobile SDKs which provide guidance for working on various and variety of the feature sets. So to conclude, LoginRadius Identity Platform is a technology agnostic and easy to use and implement into any site. The LoginRadius platform is deployed in a highly secure, robust and a scalable infrastructure supported by a growing network of data centers across the globe. Please make sure to check out our website www.loginradius.com for more details. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you.